this is Marieke Blokland from Bloknote.nl, and in this video I'm showing you this fun resist technique using Neocolor 1 crayons and watercolors. Go! Hey, Marieke Blokland here from Bloknote.nl. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my art journals I really like these grungy textures. And one of the techniques that I use a lot is a technique that uses wax pastels. So the Neocolor 1 crayons, not the water soluble but the oil based wax pastels, Neocolor 1s. And these are water resistant. I love to make this kind of marks, just stripy marks, on my pages in the backgrounds, often along the sides of the pages. And usually I draw dolls and add lettering and be really expressive on my pages, but for this video I'm just going to show you the technique. Then I use a watercolor on top of those stripes, and what you get is that they start to show because they're water resistant. So that way you will get a really nice rough and grungy look on your pages. The watercolor that I often use is by Daniel Smith, called Lunar Black. I've made more videos about that color, but in this video I simply want to show you this fun technique using Neocolor 1 crayons. I hope that you like this quick simple idea, and I see you again in a next video. Thank you for watching, bye! That's it, thank you so much for watching this video. You rock! Please support me by liking this video and subscribe for more quirky art inspiration and raw self-expression. Ciao!